I can't move right now. So about that. Hello. I'm not gonna play some games on today, cause I don't want to play. So these are all I'm playing right now. These are my friends. Wait, what? Jesus, so bad, just whack out. So, if you guys haven't known my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, Vinny Scully. If you have a YouTube channel, please subscribe to me. Because I can't show you right now, because that's a sound okay. You want me to open up more blinds again, because it's too dark? Yeah. No. So guys, that's the point. I shouldn't done that anyway, because I'm starting to look at games what people are up to. Let's go to fantasy scene first, because lots of people, my friends are playing Roblox games. What can I see? Oh my god, every time every time my webcam turns off, sometimes it's happened. So, lots of people are playing Sea Shanty, TTDV. That's why I make YouTube videos every day with it. And if I don't want to do it, I can make other games video when I play a section. So don't forget to subscribe to my behind the scenes channel with Vincent Scully that I did a live stream in it. If you guys don't remember, that's because you don't remember YouTube channel. So go to YouTube and my load. I might go and get some talking logo because so then I can do everything on the LCS one. So Vincent, capital V, space, capital S for Skelly. Maybe you know my name. And these are my gaming videos I upload for 2 days. So, I press that, press subscribe, turn notifications on, and these are my this is my game of Conquer that I did live stream on my behind scenes channel, so don't forget to do that. So these are my last behind the scenes that I finished. So can't let you guys watch it yet. I might sign up I won't sign back on that. I might help. So we're still talking here very nice. So let's look at so if I fail to see Murder Mystery 2, this is a new update on update 14 live topper. If someone was actually playing Bacon's story, and they're not allowed to be playing that game in school, because they're not allowed. But you're not allowed to play Bacon in Roblox at school. You're not allowed to play Bacon at school, because I don't really like this game at school at all. And these are Adopt Me that you guys can play Adopt Me at school. I know you guys play Adopt Me at school. And next one, these I'm talking about is Melee Masters. These are the murder blocks too. And these are a bunch of murder mystery. There's so many murders. That's so when I was saying for trusted people, they give you votes. You know, well, I'm not showing you guys that one yet. If these are Tower Health and Lucky Blocks, so I play that game. So you don't know K-pop. This is fun. And you guys haven't played Nature for a long time. These are the games that I played. I haven't played for a long time. And I play 8 Book and Bones. So, but not too bad but not did. As so many games that lots of people played. Wait, you guys, so, these are Walking Dead roleplay. And Walking Dead 2. It's a TWD. It means what? Walking Dead. So these are zombie attack that I don't like. That game. They not allowed to store. And these are bad Legos. So, and I saw lots of people playing Fortnite one. Battle Royale. They're not allowed to play that in Astro. Because they're not allowed. And not to bet when I see it. And I saw lots of people playing other games that you like. There's a mod and speedrun for that I was in the other day. Look at the steampunk one. So I might need to get on back on Avatar. Oh, did I press the wrong button? I don't mess it up my YouTube videos. So if you guys go to home, you can see a lot of games you have played. Because I can't show that one yet. Because I was looking up here, someone's on me to play my Xbox. So I've got, if this video hits 3 likes, if you don't actually have a Xbox, I'm doing Xbox Series S giveaway, only hashtag justice on my comments, on my videos, on comments. Hashtag justice. Justice. Yeah, that's how I go. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I haven't shown you guys Epic yet. I can't read all this, that's because I'm on Parent 1. 7. I shouldn't have done that too easy. Anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will play some games. I will make YouTube videos on games tomorrow, so I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day.